Hey guys, it's your girl Lara Savage, your favorite girl from Nigeria, and I am super excited to bring you guys this topic. First of all, if you're interested in getting content that can help you grow your business, whether you're a startup or you're an existing brand, I'm a plug. So hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post content like this. So let's get our intro in and get started with the video. So, as always, before I get started, I'm going to talk about what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the two interlude convertible top. Guys, you can wear it in two different ways and probably even more if you're very creative. I've paired it with the side slit palazzo pants. It's beautiful, guys. I've gotten reviews on these pants and those that are buying it are rocking it well. Like, you guys, it's amazing. Let's just leave it at that. It's so amazing. So you guys should go get yours. I'm going to link it in the description box below so you guys can see how you can order for yours and start being classy and fancy at the same time. So today we're going to be talking about blogging and vlogging ideas. I know sometimes it can be hard. Writer's block is a problem, sis. 2022 might have started well. Oh, I'm going to post one video a week, 2 videos a week. And then middle of February, you're like, what's going on? I don't have any ideas in my head. What should I do? How should I do it? So today we're going to be talking about 7 ways you can get new ideas, and it's going to help you. I am very positive about that. Number 1 cannot be overemphasized: keyword research. A lot of times when we do keyword research on our normal interface, I would advise, when you are checking things like that, go incognito and search for your search query on YouTube, searching the topic you want to talk about and what people are actually looking for in that space. For instance, you might be talking about style hacks and you might want to know what exactly people are looking for, so you know exactly how to tailor your content that will make people want to watch your videos or search for you, and you would pop up. If this doesn't give you inspiration, number 2 just might. So number 2 is read and watch movies, reality TV, anything that gives you inspiration. I love reality TV, to be honest. I love watching those kind of things. They give me inspiration, not necessarily, when you watch TV shows like WAGs, Platinum Life, you're like, it's only trips to different places that they're going to. And the funny thing is you can actually learn from those things. Okay, let's digress a little bit. I used to watch WAGs when they were doing it, WAGs Miami, and there was this lady, Darnell. She started a clothing business. She talked about her struggles. Watching it, you'll never know you can learn something very positive, but when you put your mind to it, you learn. And you don't stop learning. If reading is your passion, read a lot, get ideas from books, from novels, from different places, and I'm sure the inspiration will come from there. So number 3 is share your experiences. I just did that in number 2, talking about how Darnell inspired me from WAGs, and that's like my personal experience, how reality TV helped me to get vlogging and blogging ideas. So I'll encourage you guys to share your experiences. Let people see what is behind the face they see. Like, let them see what's on the inside. People really like getting to know in-depth knowledge about people, how they started their brand, things that inspire them. So don't just bring up a topic from the universe and say you want to talk about it. Add something spicy about your life and add something to it that would help people grow as well. So number 4 is observe. Observation is very good. Observe things around you. In your house, you can observe a lot and you will see things that you'll be wondering, really? How did I not see this? How did I not talk about this? So back in school, I studied mass communication, and they will tell us a mass communication student has to have eyes for news, nose for news, ears for news, everything for news. You have to be very, very sensitive to your environment. It actually works. So yes, I'm not going to dwell on it. Observation, observation, observation. Eyes for news, nose for news, ears for news. Let's move on. So our next is encourage comments. Encouraging comments is very, very, very important. I always encourage people to send me messages in my DMs, and they've really helped. So topics that they want to learn about, topics that they want to know things about, know more about. So I have been able to have, vlogging ideas through that, knowing that, okay, this is what I want to do. I want to help people who are in businesses, who are startups, to help them grow their businesses to their full potential. So yes, comments have really, really helped me in a lot of ways. Speaking about comments, please comment in the comment section what you think about this topic, what topics you think you might want to let me talk about, or send me a DM on Instagram. I would be really, really grateful. Please also don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I had to add that. This actually is really, really tricky. There are some topics that you think people won't gravitate towards that actually do better than the ones that you feel, oh, this is what people want to see, this is what they have to see. Don't be too rigid and not give people content that they actually want to see. Try different things, check your analytics. I'm sure that will help you in growing your channel, your brand, and yes, take risks. Number 7 is something I really, really want to go into very, very soon. Okay, I have even gone into it already. I started from blogging, so that's an alternative, finding alternatives. I have been able to transit from only blog to having a blog and a vlog. So guys, those are my 7 tips on what you can do to get new vlogging or blogging ideas. I hope it really, really helps you guys. All these have actually helped me. As we were even talking about it, I was telling you guys things I learned along the way, what I did, things like that. And I am sure they would also help you guys. So as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video within and outside your circle. It's still your favorite girl from Nigeria, Lara Savage, signing out.